Okay, this is on a 2011 gs350. I'm going to go ahead and arm the system. What we did, we added the shock sensor add-on. So if anybody breaks a window, busts out the keyhole, or try to bust out the lug nut locks, the alarm will fire off. Because what happens from factory, this car doesn't come with any type of impact sensor. So instead of having to install another alarm, we went ahead and added the shock sensor to it because he really doesn't want to have any other clickers, which I don't blame him. He puts this in his pocket and he has everything. And then he's got the door automatic opens when it senses the remote control. So basically when this light inside starts flashing, right there in the center console, it's ready for you. So if anybody tries to bust out these lug nut locks, I'm going to go ahead and bang on the rim real quick, on the tire. That will fire off the alarm. So it protects your whole car from bumper to bumper. The shock sensor, it is adjustable. So you as a customer, the installer will always show you how to adjust it. So if it becomes too sensitive, you can back it up a hair and give it another week or so until you find the sweet spot. But we really try to avoid that. We really try to adjust the shock according to the area where you live, if you don't have planes going by or things of that nature. So yeah, this is the shock sensor add-on to this Lexus. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and yes, we do have free mobile service. We come out to your home or your office. Thank you for watching this video.